Hi, my name is Jeff with Nudite Corporation in Cleveland, Ohio, and today I'm going to talk about the Multimedia Interface Tester, or MIT for short. I'm going to quickly discuss the function and purpose of the tool, and then I'm going to run through a complete demonstration on a radio so that I can show how simple the tool is to use. The main purpose of the MIT is to limit warranty costs by reducing the occurrences of technicians pulling radios with no fault found. Because of common compatibility concerns with media devices such as cell phones and MP3 players, technicians need a known good to help test for radio functionality. By ruling out possible causes, technicians can identify the real problem quicker and help increase customer satisfaction. For the purpose of the demonstration, I'm using a Ford Sync non-nav radio. It is important to note that all radios work a little differently, so reference the manual for the radio so you know exactly how to access all the different media applications. For the MIT tool, it powers through the USB, so no batteries are required. So when I plug in the USB connection, we power up, and the unit defaults right into aux mode. By inserting the aux plug and going through the radio into aux mode,
Input jack test using the sync input test tool is working correctly. The audio input jack test using the sync
an audio file plays through the aux jack, confirming that that function is working correctly. Next, I'm going to use the test selector button to slide into USB mode. Again, using the radio controls, I'm going to go to select a source. I'm going to select the USB.
Using the sync input test tool is working correctly. The USB audio test using the sync input test.
And this time, an audio file plays through the USB connection, confirming that that function too is working correctly. And finally, and usually the biggest problem that consumers have, we're going to slide into Bluetooth mode. Using the radio controls, I'm going to set up to pair. I'm going to choose Add a Device.
Press OK to begin pairing a device. Search for Sync on your device and enter the PIN provided by Sync.
Once the radio is ready, I hit the pair button. The LED begins to flash slowly. And now the radio and the MIT are communicating to exchange crucial information in order for a pairing to take place. This takes about 10 seconds. Once ready, the MIT will flash all three LEDs telling me it's time to enter the passcode. So I enter the code now and hit enter. The LED goes to a quick flash.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
And the radio also confirms that we have a pairing and a connection. The fast flash on the MIT confirms that it too recognizes that there's an active pairing in place. Once it's paired, to test the Bluetooth connectivity, we're going to simulate a phone call by hitting the pair/call button. The radio will ring just like a regular call coming in. Answer the call.
The Bluetooth pairing test using the sync input test tool is working correctly. The Bluetooth pairing test using the sync input test.
And as you can hear, an audio file played via Bluetooth confirming that that connection too was working correctly. So quickly, I just demonstrated how we could test that all three of those media functions were properly functioning. A few final points on the MIT tool. Many radio systems today come equipped with RCA style plugs rather than a 3.5mm audio jack, and there is an adapter that comes with the tool so that the MIT can still be used to test that function. There's also an available cigar plug adapter with a USB connection. That way you can get power through the cigar plug if a USB connection is not part of the standard equipment with the radio. The manual for the MIT tool is stored on the unit as a PDF. Simply plug it into any computer, use the test selector button to put it into USB mode. A file will appear and you can access the folder and either read or print the manual right from your computer. And one final note, the unit is flashable in the field through the USB connection. With radio technology and cell phone technology changing so often, it's important to be able to upgrade the software in the future as needs arise. I hope today's demonstration was helpful in showing you how to use the MIT tool, and I thank you for your time.